Hey guys, welcome to Mike It Yourself. Today's video is a little short one on indicator lights here on the dash panel for older Harleys. So the ones with the these with the two rows versus I know there's some different variations of similar tank dashboards, but my bike had these number 57s, and I think that's probably the more common one for the older Harleys. These number 57s are not very bright when it comes to these indicator lights. So if you're riding and you want to know whether or not your turn signal is still flashing, it's very hard to tell, especially during the daytime. It's just not bright enough. So I wanted to fix that issue, and what I did is I went ahead and bought some of these LED bulbs. These are number 57 LED bulbs that I got off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And I gotta say, I'm pretty surprised at how well these things turned out. When I turned that on, these are significantly brighter than what they were with the original bulbs in there. And then my turn signals, they're a little dim right now, but that's because the motor's not running. When I get the bike running, the turn signals are just as bright as these two lights are here. So it makes all the world of difference. Now, unfortunately, what that doesn't resolve is the issue with having to look down to see if your indicator or your turn signal lights are on. So I added in another little LED that's kind of in a hidden spot. And what it is I think this is like a little 1/4-inch deal. Again, got it off of Amazon, and you get 3 in a pack, so it's not bad. I want to say it was like 10 bucks. Same thing with those other LEDs there. I think it was like 12 for 10 bucks or something like that. You got a whole bunch. And installed them right there, just so it would be in my view as I'm riding, so that way I didn't have to actually look down to determine whether or not my turn signal was on. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you can see it flashing. It's easy to see and works perfect. Same thing on the left. So all you do is, it's 2 wires. You ground one wire out, the other one you hook to the positive of your turn signal wires there. I just tapped into it, and everything works all together. So a combination of those little indicator lights, the brighter LEDs here, make all of the world of difference. Well worth the investment. For under 20 bucks, you get awesome looking lights on your dash. And for the turn signals, I think any LED that you buy out there will be just fine. I'll link the ones that I bought, so you can get a like for like if that's what you want. But well worth the investment. I did have to do a little bit of drilling on the little cover. I recommend taking the cover off to do that drilling, because if you try to do it while it's still on, you can't get your drill gun in there, and what happens is as you squeeze the trigger, your drill will start walking across it, which is where it's not like staying in one spot. So it's much easier to pull that off. Use a punch or a nail if you want, just to kind of give it a quick dent, so that way it'll stay in that spot when you do drill through. And you push it through, tighten down the bolt on the backside, and you're good to go. So easy modification, well worth the time and the investment. I recommend. If you like this video and you want to see more, like, comment, subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any of my videos. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get a heads up when my next video is available. Until then, have a great one, and hope to see you on the next video.